Hello everyone, welcome to One Artsy. In this video I will show you how to draw kangaroo, the cartoon. I don't know if you have the same cartoon in your country, but this one is in Portugal. It's very famous and it's cute. So I'm drawing it on ibis Paint X, that is an application for Android and for iOS too, like in my previous videos. This is a short tutorial when I show the process. That is very simple. First I do the sketch, a quick sketch, very messy, don't have to be very detailed, and then I work gradually on outlining everything. And now I start coloring it very simply. You have just to choose the right colors, and then I start with shading. Shading is very simple. If you are interested, I can show you the process. I can do another video when I show the tools I use and everything in specific. Just leave a comment and I will do another video. So, hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please, for any question, leave a comment below. Thank you again. See you in the next video. Peace.